Hi students, interest on drawings. First method, direct method. Direct method la 4 type of sums இருக்குது. இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறது type number 2. Arjun is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he drew as follows. Date, amount. Different time intervals la different amount வந்து அவங்க withdraw பண்ணிருக்காங்க. March 1 6000, June 1 4000, September 1 5000, December 1 2000. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. So year ending 31st December. So March 1st to 31st December period of interest calculate பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு வந்து March 1st ல இருந்து 31st December வரைக்கும் கவுண்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். Next one June 1st ல இருந்து 31st December வரைக்கும், September to 31st December, December 1 to 31st December. Solution: interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Withdrawal on March 1, withdrawal on June 1, withdrawal on September 1, withdrawal on December 1. The first one, amount of drawings, March month 6000, June 4000. March month 6000, June month 4000, then September 5000, December 2000. September 5000, December 2000 into rate of interest 12% per annum. 12% per annum into 12 by 100 into 12 by 100, 12 by 100 into 12 by 100. Then period of interest, March to December. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 10 months into 10 by 12. Next one, June to December. June, July, August, September, October, November, December into 7 by 12. September to December, September, October, November, December into 4 by 12. December 1 to 31st, so 1 by 12. Calculations. $600, $280, $50 into 4 $200, $20. Total 1100. Total interest on drawings. So March, June, September, December total amount calculation பண்ணிட்டு அதை ஆட் பண்றப்ப ஒரு amount total interest on drawings equal to rupees 1100. Sum number 12. Santosh is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 6% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he withdrew as follows. February 1, 2000, May 1, 10,000, July 1, 4,000, October 1, 6,000. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. Same procedure. Solution: interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Withdrawal on February, May, July and October. First write the amount of drawings. February 2000, May 10,000, July 4,000, October 6,000. February 2000, next 10,000, July 4,000, October 6,000. Rate of interest 6% per annum. 6% per annum into 6 by 100 Next period of interest February to December into 11 by 12. Ten into 11, 110. Next one, May to December. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 8 by 12. Four into 400. Next July to December 6 months into 6 by 12. Fourteen to 3 120. Next one October to December. October, November, December 3 by 12. 30 into 3 90. Total 720. Total interest on drawings rupees 720. இந்த மெத்தட்ல டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டைம் இன்டர்வல்ஸ்ல டிஃப்ரெண்ட் அமௌண்ட் எடுத்திருந்தாங்க இல்லையா. நெக்ஸ்ட் சம் different time intervals but same amount. Kumar is a partner in a partnership firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 6% per annum. During the year ended 31st December 2018, he withdraws as follows: March, June, September and December. Amount same 4,000. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. Solution: interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Withdrawals on March, June, September and December. Amount same amount. So 4,000. 4,000. 4,000. 4,000. December 4,000 into 6 by 100. Periods March to December 10 by 12. $200 into 6 by 100. June to December 7 by 12. $20 into 7 140. Next one into 6 by 4,000 into 6 by 100 into September to December 4 by 12. 80, 40 into 2, 80. Next one December 6 by 100 into 1 by 12. 20. Total interest on drawings 440. Total interest on drawings rupees 440. Interest on drawings direct method la first method என்ன அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா total amount of drawings withdraw பண்ற date mention பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. நம்ம interest on drawings calculate பண்ணோம். Next one different time intervals la different amount எடுத்தாங்க. Method number 3 different time intervals same method. Then method number 4 sum number 14 Matthew is a partner who withdraw rupees 20,000 during the year 2018. Interest on drawings is charged at 10% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December 2018. Amount of drawings 20,000. Interest rate 10%. But எந்த டேட்ல அவங்க எடுக்கிறாங்கன்னு டேட் மென்ஷன் பண்ணல. ஸோ டேட் கொடுக்காதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் 6/12 எடுத்துக்கணும். Solution interest on drawings equal to amount of drawings 20,000 into 10/100 into 6/12. 6/12 ஏன் போடுறோம் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு வந்து இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் டிராயிங்ஸ் எந்த டேட்ல எடுத்தாங்கன்னு டேட் மென்ஷன் பண்ணாதனால ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் நம்ம 6/12 எடுத்துக்கிறோம். So interest on drawings equal to rupees 1000. இதான் fourth method. Direct method la 4 type of sums. Next class la product method பார்க்கலாம். Thank you students.